Today I am going to give the explanation of chapter number 15 of Social Science Economic Development, which is going to be in unit test also at the end of this month on 29. Let's start. Economic development. So the thing which is very important, what is economic development? Economic development shows constant increase in national income of a country. Constant increase in national income of a country. Increase in what? Increase in per capita income of a country. Then improvement in the living standard of the people. It means any country is going to be economically developed only when per capita income of country of each and every person in a country, those who are living, going to be having a good living standard. If they are earning a good salary every month, automatically it is going to be helpful in the economical development of any country. So overall we are having the three definitions. Number one, constant increase in national income of a country. Number two, increase in per capita income of a country. And number three, improvement in the living standard of the people. So you can say this three definition is going to be the perfect one to give the perfect definition for the economical development of any country. This is called economical development. Total income of the country is called national income. This thing is very important for you to remember. Total income of any country is called national income. Now come to the second topic, that is difference between economic progress and economic development. These two words really giving a totally different meaning. How? Let's see. First, on the basis of the development process, it means economic development is qualitative. Again I am repeating, economic development means quality improvement, while economic progress is quantitative. Economic development is first stage, while economical progress is the stage after economical development. So this is very important for you to understand that development is qualitative and the progress is quantitative. Second point, according to the changes taking place in economy, on the basis of the new research in economy, increase in production is economical development. Because of research in hybrid seeds in agriculture sector, there has been many